Hi guys, daily revision for today. Paper 1, it's GCSE biology and it's my favourite subject, which is transport in plants, which is transpiration. Okay, so just to let you know, plants, lots of students don't like talking about plants, but that is where you're going to make the most marks. So very quickly, water and minerals, they travel up one way only, up through the xylem vessels. They've got thick walls that are stiffened with lignin, so they're dead cells. And it's a hollow tube with no end walls, and it allows water and minerals to travel from the roots to the leaves. Very important in transpiration is the stomata. So stomata are found on the bottom of the leaf, okay? And CO2, carbon dioxide, can diffuse in, so can oxygen as well for respiration, but CO2 is for photosynthesis. But also what can be lost, again, is oxygen and water vapor. So the water is obviously important for photosynthesis, but some can be evaporated out of the stomata. Now you will need to know about the structure of the stomata. So the stomata is made of two guard cells. So that is the type of cell that makes the stomata. And as you can see, the guard cells are typical plant cells. So in terms of their labeling. When the vacuole is full of water, then they tend to go firm, and therefore the inner walls are thicker than the outer walls, therefore making an air hole, which makes the stoma open. Transpiration. So transpiration is the actual loss of water from the leaves by evaporation from the stomata. So what is happening there is that the water moves from the roots to the leaves through the xylem, and the water evaporates from the stomata. And as water evaporates, more is sucked up or moved up by the roots and transported through the xylem upwards. So water is drawn up the stems to the leaves. Now, what can affect transpiration rates are things like light. So the brighter the light, the higher the rate. Notice I'm using the word, so not just saying bright light, high rate. I'm saying brighter the light, the higher the rate. Temperature, the warmer it is, the faster transpiration happens. Windy, the more airflow around a plant, the greater the rate of transpiration. And humidity, so the drier the air is around the plant, in other words, low humidity, the faster transpiration happens. One really good thing to remember, if you can't remember those things, think about what makes it, what conditions make it really great for drying. Washing. So if you put washing on a line, what kind of conditions are you looking to dry that dry the clothes? And it's related to brighter light, higher temperature, more windy, lower humidity. Okay, so here's some exam practice. All I'm going to do is I'm going to show you lots of questions. I'd like you to have a go at those questions, and then the mark schemes can be found at the end. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, hope you found that useful. Please do stick with me. I'm going to be doing some daily revision for paper 1 on a regular basis, so please do stick and subscribe. Hope your revision is going well. I'll see you soon.